See, we sing those so that I could take my time. So I'm going to take my time. I'm just kidding. I'm going to read from Romans 5:3 to 5. It says, "Not only that, but we rejoice in our sufferings, knowing that suffering produces endurance, and endurance produces character, and character produces hope, and hope does not put us to shame, because God's love has been poured into our hearts through the Holy Spirit who has been given to us." And many times in our ministry as sifus and nesifus, right, we can become discouraged. Sometimes we're disliked, and sometimes we want to quit. And sometimes God asks us to go somewhere when we're like, but God, I'm comfortable and I don't want to leave my flock. I love my flock, right? But we trust in God because He is our good shepherd, and we simply have to be obedient to where He has called us. And through our obedience, because He is good and because He is faithful to plant the seeds, He will also grow the fruits. The pathway's broken and the signs are unclear, and I don't know the reason why you brought me here, but just because you love me the way that you do, I'm gonna walk through the valley if you want